Welcome to the eHealth Made Easy tutorial video teaching you how to add patients to the EHR manually and pointing out the ways eHealth Made Easy helps you achieve compliance for meaningful use. You can also import a list of patients from another system, and we cover that in the Importing Patients video. Keep in mind, if you have an integration with another system, you may already have the patients in your eHealth Made Easy system and won't need to add them. Once you log into the system, you see your home page. At the top of the appointment schedule are several options. Click the Add Patient link to add a patient to the system. This takes us to the patient demographics page. With the requirements to document your encounters electronically and the criteria you need to meet to prove that you have used this technology in a meaningful way, the Office of the National Coordinator, or ONC, created a list of values for you to record for each patient. We have taken that list and placed the meaningful use indicator next to the appropriate fields in the system. For example, to comply with the meaningful use criteria, you must specify the race for at least 50% of your patient population. Even though this is not a required field in the system, meaning that you can create the patient without this information, you must enter data to be compliant with meaningful use. Once you make a selection, the meaningful use indicator changes from blue to green, indicating that you are now compliant with that criteria, and it is our way of providing you that first level of assurance. Once you create your patient and make sure you have completed all of the required fields, you will click the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you deal with walk-in patients or have a process in place where new patients complete a form, you can use this button and print a blank registration form to hand to the patient to fill out. When you click Save, the system asks you to select the appropriate insurance company for the patient. We cover entering insurance companies into the system in a separate tutorial video. Once you select the insurance, you can either remain on the demographics page or be taken to the patient's insurance page. Make your selection and click OK. Your patient's record is now in your system and ready to be used. This concludes this tutorial video.